subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Hey guys, welcome to TechSole Blog YouTube channel. This is me Rahul, and today in this video I'm talking about the Blackview Tab 9, a new affordable tablet by a Hong Kong based company Blackview. So let's talk about it.
The new Blackview Tab 9 features a tall 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display with small bezels on the edges, and it has 5-megapixel camera at the top center for selfies and video calling. The aluminum design rear panel of the phone carries an 13-megapixel camera under the rectangular module with LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. Under the hood, the tablet comes powered by octa-core Uni-SoC Tiger T610 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 128GB via hybrid microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 7480 mAh battery that charges through a Type-C port, and the company claims to offer up to 6 hours of gaming, 6 hours of video playback, and 7.5 hours of web browsing. On the software front, the Blackview Tab 9 runs on Android 10 out of the box with company's DocOS P1.0 skin on top. Additionally, the tablet comes with 5 dock points to connect the tablet with a keyboard that gives PC-like experience, and it comes with dual stereo speakers for better sound experience. The physical dimensions of the tablet measures at 243.7 by 162.5 by 8.85mm thin, and it weighs around 570 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Blackview Tab 9 has been priced globally at $199.99, but you can get it now at a discount price of $149.99 till May 21st. So if you are willing to purchase this tablet, then grab it now. I have provided the link in the description below.
And there is one more thing to tell you.
The Blackview company is going to announce its new sub-brand called Oscal in the month of June. So get ready for this new Oscal brand by Blackview that is going to get new products at an attractive price with new offers.
So that's it in this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.